need to evacuate. Follow the driver's instructions. Stay calm and together.
Stay calm and don't panic. We need to evacuate. We need to go to an open field.
Members, stay calm, stay seated, follow, duck and cover, follow instruction. Always signal if needed. Being prepared is important.
Yeah!